Every year, more than 3 million tons of olive oil are produced around the world.
It's such an enormous amount that, if poured into 1-liter bottles and placed side by side,
they would form a continuous line stretching across entire oceans.
But behind this staggering number lies a reality that most people never see. The process is precise, unforgiving, and surprisingly brutal.
A mistake of just a few minutes can destroy the flavor, aroma, and identity of an entire batch.
And that's something almost no one thinks about when opening a bottle at home.
That's exactly why you're here. Welcome to Factories and Facts.
Today, you'll discover how a small, bitter fruit becomes one of the most valuable foods in America.
Our commitment to quality begins in the field. We monitor our crops with precision, tracking every apple from the farm to the factory.
But before we step inside the machines and modern technology, we must go back to the beginning.
The olive is a small, resilient, naturally bitter fruit. It has been cultivated for thousands of years along the Mediterranean.
Today, olive oil fuels one of the oldest yet most technologically advanced food industries on Earth.
It plays a growing role in the American market.
Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to Factories Inside Manufacturing Hub.
Because gelatin. Because here's a question we're thinking about.
Are all olive oil bottles sold in the United States really what they claim to be?
Harvest, where everything can go wrong.
The olive oil journey begins at harvest, and this is where everything can either succeed or fail.
Olive trees spend an entire year storing energy inside each fruit.
Every minute matters. A short delay can compromise aroma, increase acidity, and turn premium extra virgin olive oil.
There are two main harvesting methods.
1. Hand harvesting. Slow, careful, and extremely gentle. Workers place nets under the trees and use small rakes to loosen the olives. This method minimizes damage and prevents invisible bruises that accelerate oxidation. Number 2. Mechanized harvesting. Large machines grip the tree trunk and vibrate, dropping olives in seconds.
It's incredibly efficient, but a wrong setting can crush fruit, break branches, and trigger immediate chemical deterioration. The moment olives leave the tree, the countdown begins. Top-tier mills in California and other U.S. producing regions follow a strict rule. Extraction must begin within 6 to 12 hours after harvest.
Beyond this window, fermentation starts, and the chance of producing true extra virgin olive oil disappears.
Factory cleaning, sorting, and selection. The olives are transported in ventilated crates to prevent heat buildup and pressure damage.
At the mill, the first step is cleaning. Powerful fans remove leaves and twigs.
Rotating water baths wash away dust and debris in a mesmerizing motion.
Here's a detail few people know.
Even one crushed leaf processed with the olives can make the oil excessively bitter. Next comes selection.
The olives pass over vibrating belts and through optical sorting machines.
High-speed cameras scan each fruit, and compressed air instantly removes any olive with defects, fermentation spots.
This section is for faculty only.
Why so strict?
One bad olive can ruin an entire batch.
Because to produce just 1 liter of true extra virgin olive oil, you need 6 to 10 kilograms of perfect olives.
The technological heart of the mill.
Once selected, olives move into the most advanced part of the factory.
First, grinding. Modern metal crushers break the olives into a thick paste.
This releases aroma, but not oil yet. Next, malaxation, slow mixing.
This allows tiny oil droplets to join together. Temperature matters.
Above 27 degrees Celsius, olive oil can lose its extra virgin quality.
Sensors track every degree, and experienced Caucasian female workers often know the perfect moment just by smell.
Centrifugation laboratory, where oil is created.
The paste enters a fast-spinning centrifuge. In seconds, it separates into
solid matter, water, olive oil. The oil comes out with very little air exposure, keeping it fresh.
Surprising fact, fresh olive oil is cloudy and green, not golden. Color does not mean quality. It depends on the olives and harvest time.
Filtered oil lasts longer and ships better. Neither is better, just different.
nitrogen gas protects the oil.
Experts taste for fruitiness, bitterness, and spice. One defect, beer, rejected oil.
Bottling. Light damages olive oil.
That's why good oil comes in dark bottles or metal cans.
Many U.S. oils are international blends. This is legal.
But fraud exists. Some oils are mixed with cheaper oils.
How to buy real olive oil in the USA. 1. Avoid very cheap prices. 2. Choose dark bottles or cans. 3. Check the harvest date.
Best flavor within 12 months. Final olive oil is nature plus science plus technology.
Now you know what's really in the bottle.